What do the numbers tell you after doing that?
So the numbers tell us that we're probably expecting somewhere between 300 and 500 million cases before the end of July. Now, before...
I just want to let that sink in. 300 to 500 million COVID-19 positive cases in the next few months.
Right. At the peak of the epidemic, according to projections by the best modeling groups in the UK and the US, their estimate is that they would probably have about 500,000 severe cases, probably 500,000 to a million severe cases in the UK, and upwards about 3 to 4 million severe cases in the US.
How many severe cases could we end up with?
So you can do the math, and I would guess that we will end up with something, about 4 to 8 million severe cases, and we only have about 70,000 hospital beds. So I think the time to start...
Which means we're something like 7 million beds short.
We're headed to, a total of about 300 to 500 million cases by July. Now that sounds like a lot, and I want to reassure your viewers, most of those cases are going to be mild. You won't even know anything worse than, small fever or respiratory symptoms or whatever.
Mathematical models that applied to the United States and the United Kingdom were applied to India, then we could soon have up to 300 million cases of people infected with coronavirus. Yes, you heard that right. 300 million people. Dr. Lakshminarayan, explain what's the rationale behind what seems like a doomsday prediction.
The problem here is that the 10 million severe infections will all happen within a 2 or 3 week window and will require a lot of intensive care, and we don't have the systems to handle that much in a short period of time. If we are unprepared, it could go up to as many as 2.5 million deaths. If we're prepared, it will come under 1 million deaths.